Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on how we can create a simple dashboard, a reporting that shows us a monthly reporting from these given sales. So we do have a very huge data set, more than 30,000 rows and more than 20 columns. So in this given data set, what I want to show to my manager is the sales report monthly basis for the respective location. So if just say I have a slicer, so I click on the slicer, show the location, it will have the monthly reporting. So I press Ctrl A. So Ctrl A means it will highlight the entire table, and then I'll go to insert, pivot table, a box will appear. I just press OK. By pressing OK, you will notice you will be navigated to a new worksheet. So now what I want to do is, in this case, I want to just tick the date. So when I tick the date, apparently it will show me all the sales, all the date for January to December. Then I'll just tick the price. So price will show me the accumulated price. So apparently if you see, we have about 26 million sales from January up to December. And apparently what I want to know is, I actually want to know what is the allocation, what is the year to date, what is the month on month, and so on. So I'll just drag. Okay, so year 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then last one, number 6. So basically, if you notice, why do I have 6 data over here? Because here will show me the monthly sales. Over here, what's my intention is to show them allocation, percentage allocation or apportionment. So I'm going to press right click, show value as percentage of grand total. So over here we get to see, okay, so on average we have like every month is about 7% to 8% sales monthly basis. And then over here, my next thing what I want to do is, I want to show the month on month trending, show value as difference from, and then base item, I choose previous, I press OK. So now we get to know, okay, so like we can understand, okay, February there's a reduction, and then June there's a reduction, and then October there's a reduction. So there is an increase, but in few months there is a reduction. Here what I want to do is the percentage reduction. So show value as percentage different from, and then I just choose previous because it won't show the percentage difference from the previous. And just like that we get to know, okay, so there's a sharp decrease and sharp increase. Next is year to date. So right click, show value as running total in, and I just press OK. So here we do have the year to date. So it's the accumulated sales. So just say the manager wants to know for July year to date. So here we have the year to date. Next, what I want to do is, basically I want to show to my manager about conditional formatting. So I just want to put my cursor over here, insert, go to home, conditional formatting, data bar. You can click more rules, and what I want to do is, I want to show bar only. And over here, I'll just choose any color you want. So I'm going to choose this color, and all cells showing the sum of price. So I'm going to click this and I press OK. So what my manager can see is, this is the reporting that my manager can see, because this coloring, my manager can understand the performance. And then over here, what I want to do is, I want to do the month on month trending. So conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than. So if you just say greater than 0, I want it to be green color. And then go here again, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule less than. So if you just say less than 0, red color. And I'm going to do the same thing as well. So conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than. So if you just say greater than 0, green color. If you just say less than 0, so less than 0 means red color. Okay. And then over here, what I'll do is, I'll choose color scale. So conditional formatting, and then I go to color scale. So I'll choose this color. Alright. And then after that, I'm going to click here. So here what I want to show is the highest and the lowest. So conditional formatting, and then I'll go to top bottom, top 10. So for the top 10, I want to choose 1. So the top 1. And here I'll choose a custom format. I go to fill, I want it to be gold color. I press OK, or then I go to font and I put here bold. Okay, so now we do have the top 1 data. If just say you want to know the bottom, so go to bottom and then go to the bottom 10. So here, so I just want 1, and then I'll choose red color, but not this red color, instead a custom format, and then a white color font. Go to fill, I choose this red color, and I also want a bold. And then I press OK, and then OK. So now if you notice, it only appear on the first cell. How to actually make it appear until the bottom? So I'm going to go to conditional formatting, manage rule, and then over here I change. So this bottom one, I click here edit, all cells, I press OK. And then the same thing, I click here edit, and then all cell, I press OK. So I'm going to do the same thing for everything. So I just click here edit and press OK. And then the same thing for this, edit, and one more time, and yep. And then after that we'll do one more time as well, because over here so we have, because now it applies to the particular cell. So edit rule, all cell, press OK, and the last one, edit rule, all cell, and press OK, because the last one we have already tried it. So now when I press OK, what happened is it will show me the result. So meaning to say, this is the conditional formatting. So here I'll just write here as monthly sales. This will be the percentage allocation. Okay, allocation in the form of percentage. So allocation bracket percentage. Here will be month on month trending. Okay, month on month trending. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and put it over here. So this one will be in the form of percentage. Here is year to date sales, and this is the performance. There you go. And if just say you want to change the coloring, what you can do is you can go to design. You can just change to any color you want, any color that you like and prefer. So maybe let me just choose a simple one like this is okay, or this is okay, up to you. And now since this is the reporting, we can also use a slicer, pivot table analyze, insert slicer, and let me just choose based on location. So now when I press OK, so what happened is now we have this location over here, so we can actually see. So if just say when I click on Odisha, so when I click on Odisha, we can get to understand that in Odisha, the month July has the highest sales, the February has the lower sales. When we just say we click on Punjab, when we click on Punjab, we get to know that September has the highest sales and December has the lower sales. So the beauty of this pivot table is it can give us a summary. Basically, pivot table is a tool that can summarize the data, analyze the data, and present data. But what conditional formatting does is it will format the cell according to certain connection. And the beauty is it will enhance the presentation. So just say when I click on Kerala, it will show me, okay, this is the performance of Kerala. If just say when I click on Gujarat, this is the performance of Gujarat. If just say when I click on Tamil Nadu, so we get to know, okay, Tamil Nadu, July has the highest and this and that. So this is actually how we can actually show a presentation to our management.